My name's Chris Hull and I'm the catering manager at King's College School in Wimbledon, and I've been working here for 15 years. We have about 1,500 pupils on our roll, and alongside that we have up to 350 teaching and support staff on site. So on every normal day we feed about 1,800 people through our main kitchen. We have a team of 32 staff working in the department. We operate out of one main production kitchen, but we also have 2 or 3 satellite kitchens where we feed some of our younger pupils and look after hospitality such as match teas and weddings and external business. So we produce all our food in-house. We have an in-house team of chefs and catering assistants, and on a good day we have 32 staff working here. So what we look for with our warewashing equipment is first of all the reliability of the equipment and also its efficiency. We process over 20,000 items through our main dishwasher over the lunchtime period, and it's really important that the items come out clean and dry first time round. With our new machine, we normally get about 10 items a day out of 20,000 that have to be re-washed, but the majority of these are down to human error. We also look at important factors such as user-friendliness, power and water usage, and especially the availability of spare parts. There's nothing worse than having a machine break down on you and you've got to wait 2 weeks for a part to be flown halfway across the world. Winterhalter parts seem to be off the shelf and available within a day or 2 at the most. So the reason we chose Winterhalter equipment throughout our kitchens was because they are the market leader in warewashing, and what Winterhalter don't know about warewashing isn't worth knowing. You might pay a little bit more for a piece of Winterhalter equipment, but the savings in labour, in chemical usage, in water and power usage more than makes up the little bit extra you might pay in the first place for the machine. Another factor we look at is the Winterhalter chemicals. They're so efficient that the staff actually don't think that the rinse aid and detergent pumps are working correctly. So we recently took the decision to replace our main dishwasher, and the biggest impact this has had is that all of our items come out of the machine 100% dry, as our new machine has an extra drying tank. The speed of our new machine is also excellent. The only thing that slows us down is how quickly the staff can load the machine up. We now feel that we have the leading machine in the market. However, I'm sure in a couple of years' time Winterhalter will have designed something even bigger and better. So sustainability and the impact on the environment are also very important factors when looking at warewashing. One of the best benefits that I've also seen is I can see a report that if machines are being turned on too early and then sat there not being used, it makes suggestions about how we can make more efficient savings on energy and water usage. In summary, I would highly recommend Winterhalter if you're considering upgrading or replacing your existing warewashing.